How to log in to Bloomsburg University Banner. So if you want to log into Bloomsburg University Banner, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Bloomsburg University Banner login. And once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is login under Bloomsburg University. Click on that. Now you can click on login, which is here on the bottom left. And after that, it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank. And after entering your username on the first blank, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which is here on the bottom left, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on sign on. And once you click on sign on, it will log you into your account if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Bloomsburg University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.